Hey Sunshine! I don't know about you, but I have jumped on that Animal Crossing bandwagon and now I can't get enough. I didn't even play Switch games before this. Part of what makes this game so appealing to me is the overall art design. The characters are obviously all adorable, but even the fruits and flowers are super cute. I thought it'd be fun to learn to draw all the main fruits and flowers in the game. And even if you're not into the game at all, I think they'll still be great doodles to have in your toolkit for adding as decoration to bullet journal spreads or just doodling in your sketchbook. Before we get started though, I want to shout out my newest patrons. Gaynor, Pernille, Christine, and Rachel. Thanks for supporting the channel, I'm so grateful. If you'd like to see your name in the credits of every video, come join the team over on Patreon. I'll leave a link in the description below. Any and all art supplies I use today will be listed in the kit link in the description. Throughout the video, I'll show you what colors I've used. You don't by any means need as many colors as I'm using, you can definitely simplify it. I do think it's easiest if you have at least one light and one dark version of each color you're using though, plus a white pencil for blending. My technique for all of these drawings was basically the same. I'd start with the circle shape and sketch out the main shape of the fruit or flower. Once I was happy with it, I erased any extra lines with my rubber eraser and faded the main outline I wanted to follow using my kneaded eraser. The idea was to get most of the graphite off the page so that it doesn't get blended into our pencil crayon colors, making them appear gray or dull. The coloring of the fruits and flowers is done in a cell shading style, meaning all the highlights and shadows are divided into separate cells or sections of flat color instead of being perfectly blended together. It gives things a more cartoony look. So all I've done to color these is try to identify which sections of the fruit are a lighter or darker shade of the color I'm using, and making sure I leave a highlight. The last thing to note about this art style is a small detail, but something that gives the icons a more sweet or cute look. And that's how all the outlines are done in darker shades of the color instead of a stark black outline. It helps to create a softer look. Well, that's enough rambling from me. From here, I'll just let you enjoy the tunes. If you have any questions at all about the techniques or tools I'm using, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who might enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.